Couture Max, tell us what this world premiere means to you at Tribeca Festival.
I'm just so excited for Max.
Yes. Tell them about the sustainability.
Sustainability means a lot to me because I just really want to help the planet with the waste we're making, and I just really want to have clothes that you don't have to throw away as much.
How did you go about directing this? Because this lady is amazing. Tony Award winner, Emmy Award winner.
I was so excited to get to know Max and became aware that he was working on a new line of couture, entirely sustainable, and it was so inspiring. I just felt it was an important story to document.
He's a real talent, and a lot of people think it's a joke. You know, they say, "Oh, really? Come on, he's really not a designer." Well, he really is a designer, and this documentary will show that to a lot of people and prove that.
Tell us, executive producer of Couture to the Max, tell us what this means to you.
I love fashion, I love kids, I love things that inspire people, and so I just was really, really excited to have a small part of this.
His commitment to sustainability is remarkable.